Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the DPC WATCHDOG violation crash on Windows. First, open your browser and download DDU from the official website. Next, restart your computer and boot into safe mode. Once you are in safe mode, open Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as DDU. Use it to completely remove your current NVIDIA graphics driver and all related files. When the cleanup is complete, restart your computer normally. Open your web browser and go to the official NVIDIA driver downloads page. Download the latest driver for your graphics card, install it, and wait for the installation to finish. When Windows asks you to restart your computer, do so to complete the installation. If the error still appears, the problem may be caused by corrupted Windows system files or errors on your SSD. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. This tool scans Windows and automatically repairs damaged system files. After the scan finishes, type chkdsk/f/r and press Enter. This command checks your SSD for file system errors and bad sectors. If Windows says the drive is in use, type Y to schedule the scan, then restart your computer. The disk check will run before Windows starts and repair any problems it finds. Thanks for watching.